guys, this is Abhijit. Today I am show you how you can install VS Code in your PC. So to install VS Code, open up Google Chrome and go to this link. I will give this link in the video description so that you can go and download. Here you can see download for Windows. Here you can click on download. It will start the download. I have already downloaded this, so I will cancel this. Cancel and in the downloads folder, here the VS Code is downloaded. Now double click on this and accept the agreement and click next and then install. Now it will install on your PC. Now you can see that it is installed. Now I will launch this. Finish.